XRP Ripple holders, prepare right now for a big move in the XRP price very soon. It's not what you think it is. With that said, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for daily XRP Ripple technical analysis. With that said, let's get right into it. So, as you guys know, the price of XRP has finally broken out of this falling wedge, which is a bullish pattern, and we have finally broken out of it to the upside. It's been 3 weeks since we've been broken out of this falling wedge, and we are still struggling, guys, to break through the 43 cents resistance, or you can say the EMA 35. Now, if you take a look at the volume right here, guys, we have not seen that much volume. As you guys can see, it has been very low looking at the weekly time frame, as you guys can see. Now, let's move over here, guys. Looking at the most simple indicator in the trading, game is the Bollinger Band. And what do we see here, guys? We're at the top right now. We have a low volume as of right now, as you guys can see. And we are struggling to break through the key resistance of 43 cents and start testing 44 cents. We haven't even touched 44 cents yet, which is bad news for the XRP price right now. So what do we see right here, guys? It's been consolidating around 40 to 41 cents. It's been struggling to break through. It did briefly, like a week ago, it did manage to pump to 43 cents for a little bit before dipping or correcting back down. Now, from this, guys, we are right now testing support, which is very important, because if we decide to break through to the downside, we can see an XRP correction possibly to 35 cents. Now, if we break through, we are going to be testing this area because the Bollinger Band is showing us a level of support around the 38 cents. We may very well test that. If we break through to the downside even more, we can test the 35 cents, as I said before. Now, looking over here, which is the liquidity pool, as you guys know, the price did wick briefly to 43 cents, which, as you guys can take a closer look, what do we see right here, guys? That's some money to grab, meaning people entered on short positions and people got liquidated around this area on short positions. That is why the price did wick, but wasn't strong enough to push even further to the next area of money, which is 48 cents. That's the next area for lots of money to grab to the upside. Now, looking down here, guys, what if we dump or see a XRP correction? Well, one level of major support is around this area where we can see long positions get liquidated, and this is around 36 cents. Also, the next area is around the 34 cents, and if you take a closer look, where there's lots of money is around the 29 cents. We need to be very aware of what can happen, because it's very clear the price of XRP has not pushed through the upside. It has not pumped high enough as we want it to be. Right now, it's very weak. Even looking at the EMA, guys, we barely touched the EMA 35. We're struggling to even break through it, even touch it. As you guys can see, we touched it only once, like last week, guys. As I said before, we managed to pump to 43 cents briefly, and then we dipped back down and got rejected. This is very bad, guys, and concerning. Looking at it from a technical standpoint, it is very weak because you guys can see volume is very low. As I said, people are still waiting on the XRP SEC lawsuit that is still ongoing, but there is some light. If you haven't checked out that video, go check that out right now, where I talk about the SEC and the XRP case. A lot of stuff has happened since last week. Go check it out, guys. As you guys know, LBRY won the case, or not win, they settled with the SEC, which is a big win for crypto, for LBRY, and especially XRP Ripple. So what is my price prediction for this upcoming week? Looking at the technical analysis, well, guys, I do see a XRP correction, possibly to 38 cents and maybe even 35 cents. I wouldn't be surprised, because if we take a look at Bitcoin, it looks like it's going to correct as well. It looks like all cryptos right now is looking to see a correction in price. Why is that? Well, if we take a look at the Bitcoin, charts, it is creating a bearish divergence. So with that said, it will affect all of the crypto market. So I do see XRP price correcting to 35, maybe even 38 cents, around that area this upcoming week, before we see another pump to the upside. As I said, guys, in trading or in crypto in general, you cannot see things go parabolic all the time. It's just impossible, guys. If you want a healthy market structure, we're going to need to see a pump and then a correction and then another pump to the upside and then a correction, which is a sign of a healthy market. So this is what I see happening, guys. Looking at the Bollinger Band right here from the daily time frame, yes, it is right here showing us a support around 38 cents. Looking at it from the 4-hour time frame, it is consolidating, as you guys can see. Actually, let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame. It is consolidating, guys. As you guys can see, it's creating tight channels. It's not moving very much. It's being very, very boring. As I said, things are looking to correct in the crypto market in general. So I do see the price of XRP correcting to 38 cents, possibly 35 cents. That is my price prediction for this upcoming week, unless, as you guys know, the SEC versus Ripple case is over and they decide to settle, or Ripple wins in general. Well, at that point, technical analysis does not mean anything, and I do see an immediate pump to $1, over $1. But with that said, guys, this is DC Trading. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, go check out this video right now, because YouTube is recommending it, meaning it's very important that you need to watch right now. But with that said, guys, prepare for a correction in the XRP price this upcoming week. But with that said, peace.